Hey everybody, Terah Crawford with TaylorMade Deep Creek Vacations and Sales, coming to you from 400 Close Road in McHenry, Maryland. This is an incredible 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath property, and I cannot wait to take you on a tour of this listing, which is listed by my friend and colleague Betsy Spiker Holcomb at TaylorMade Deep Creek Vacations and Sales. This incredibly beautiful home features cedar and stone on the exterior, and inside you're going to find over 3,400 finished square feet. This chalet style property was built in 2005, recently underwent a tremendous renovation. This property is so gorgeous. Right now, I'm looking at you and the floor to ceiling stacked stone fireplace, which is a propane fireplace, so easy to use. The heat is forced air through propane and there's central air conditioning. Everything to love about this gorgeous chalet. I am seriously 100% obsessed with this kitchen. The size is perfect. It's not too much to clean up or maintain. There's plenty of cabinets, and the cabinets are gorgeous. I love the floors, the countertops, everything, but I especially love how open it is to the living space, which is also gorgeous. Floor to ceiling windows, beautiful hardwood floors. The main floor has 4 very, very nice, sizable bedrooms, all of them attached to a bath and super convenient to the living space, kitchen, and dining area. So you have seen the game room, the bar, the bonus room, the kitchen, the living area, the dining room, and 4 bedrooms, but there's still more. Upstairs on the loft level, we've got 2 gorgeous master suites, 2 incredible bathrooms, and an open loft that could be an additional recreation area, a library, an office, whatever you can imagine. So 400 Close Road in McHenry, Maryland has some beautiful features, many of which you've seen today. The open floor plan, the hardwood floors, stacked stone fireplace, tons of space. It also has, as you can see, gorgeous cedar siding on the exterior, and a metal roof. Like I said earlier, the home was built in 2005, but has had some beautiful renovations and is really move-in ready for you as a primary residence or a fantastic vacation rental, given its proximity to Wisp Resort and Deep Creek Lake. The home at 400 Close Road is on 1.04 acres, and as you can see behind me, the natural landscaping is just gorgeous. Beautiful boulders, huge rhododendrons, cabin in the woods style, not a whole lot of grass to cut, low maintenance. It's kind of perfect. Thanks so much for taking the tour of 400 Close Road in McHenry, Maryland with me today. I hope you guys love it. I know this is a strange time that we're all experiencing together, but whenever you're ready, give me a call to talk about real estate in the Garrett County market. There's still a lot happening and a lot that can happen while we're all kind of cooped up at home. As an example, whoops, I'm about to trip on a rock. As an example, you just experienced a virtual open house at 400 Close Road. You'll see me doing a lot more of these as we navigate through this temporary new normal. You can call me to talk about real estate or anything at all at 410-487-4914. Let me know when you're ready to schedule your tour of 400 Close Road, and I look forward to talking with you soon.